Hello YouTube, welcome to Good to Know. I'm here with my friend Joe LaPiana. This guy's a local legend in New York and an urban gardener. As you can see back here behind us, he's turned his entire yard into a salad. So he has this area here where it's in the front, and he bought it from somebody who had put down gravel to park the car on top of. I don't think that it was leaking oil or any of that. It's a pretty clean area, but it's just loaded with gravel. And so I created a quick way, actually my father did, and this is a replica of what he created. And it's really amazing. We're using it to sift to not remove all of his soil, because if he removes all of it, he's gonna have to replace all of it. And that's a lot of soil. This soil...
Not to mention a lot of work.
Yeah, a lot of work. It had compost on top of it, so you know the soil that's in here is already rich.
Dynamite.
It's ready to just explode the plants. So basically, what we did is create a sifter, and there are expensive sifters out there. And if you don't have the money, we put this in together probably in about 15 to 20 minutes, and with a bunch of used wood from Craigslist. I mean, this stuff is super easy, and I'm going to show you right now what it looks like. All right, it's right behind me. And basically all I did was take some screen, right? And this is like, you can get this at a local hardware store. It's like fencing, and it's 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. And what we do is we throw the gravel on top of this, let it roll down. And what ends up coming out on the other side is super, super silky, soft soil without all the gravel. We separate the gravel and we basically put it in here. So Joe's going to demonstrate right now. You let it go down. If you want to sift it a little bit better, you can roll it back up again and get it finely tuned. But what we're doing is just removing the gravel from the soil. Now it's super, super soft, super loamy, and it can be a lot of work. I would encourage using a pickaxe to get through the gravel. We don't have one, so we're jumping up and down on our shovels. And now we're going to actually try using the rototiller and see if that will actually do the work for us and save our backs.
Trying to go the easy route. Maybe we'll get a break. We'll see.
Right. All right. Thank you for staying in tune. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the information that I'm putting out there, and keep it real, guys.